Welcome back, folks. Now let's solve one more problem. So in this problem, we have done this in our first video where we have used the filter operation, but in this one we are just going to tell that we can use multiple filter. So usually people get confused whether they can use multiple filter, there will be any issue or not, but no, you can use multiple filter, that shouldn't be any issue. So let's simply create the method, copy this method, and then we are going to have our list of insurance policy, and then we are going to use multiple filter, and then we are just going to call our stream, and then we are going to open our first filter, and here what we are going to define is we are going to we'll take all the policy of type health, and we'll equals, then we are going to all take policy type of health, and we are going to open another filter here. Earlier we only use one filter, but it's in just in case if people get confused, we can simply use another filter here. There shouldn't be any problem with some different condition. And here what we are going to use same policy dot premium amount greater than equals to 1500, and then we are going to simply collect 2 as a list. We are not going to write the whole method because we have done it multiple times, and then open our method and then simply do for each. This we have done multiple times. Method reference, let's simply print ln. We have already copied it. Just go and change the method in our controller, restart our server, clear our logs, and then fire our service. Perfect. So you can see that we are using 2 filter, only policy type health, and only like this is something if you have done if statement where you have if policy type equals to health and if policy type is greater than this, you have this like a sort of an if statement which you can achieve in using like just for example we do this right. Usually we have if, for example, health, and then we have maybe just in case we have another if saying that get greater than 1500, something like this. So and maybe more. So if you have seen the legacy codes of some bigger organization, you see that many people have used this if else block quite a lot. Whereas try this in your maybe in our upcoming videos, what we are going to do is we are going to take one of the industry code and we are going to convert it into Java stream. That is a great example, but we have a lot of things to come up. Okay, so now one more thing. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel. We are about to wrap up this series. So like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.